Hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you the electrical schematic for the PTT of the Aquário RP90 radio and other equivalent models. This PTT, it brings some differences, some specific characteristics compared to traditional models. Mainly two things. One is that the PTT uses an electret type microphone, meaning its capsule is not that magnetic capsule, it's an electret capsule. Perché was the tempe. And the other detail concerns the pin-out wiring of the cables in relation to the connector. So starting here with the connector itself, it uses the traditional 4-pin connector. However, as I previously mentioned, the wiring configuration, it is quite different. So pin number 1, that particular pin, it serves as the PTT activation point, you see, which is what will cause the radio to begin transmitting. When the switch closes here between pins 5 and 6, it will then connect pin 1 directly to ground, the GND, all right? Pin number 2, that's the ground connection, the negative terminal, isn't it? That's connected directly to the negative. And pin 3 will be the microphone input, okay? So here on pin 3, when you press to transmit, it will close the switch between pins 2 and 3 and connect the microphone's positive pin to pin 3 of the connector. The negative pin of the microphone, it is connected to the ground connection, and between the positive and negative terminals there is an SMD capacitor with a value of 1 nanofarad. So right here on pin number 4, we have all the necessary connections for the 3 switches that are present on the PTT unit. These include the channel selection switches, specifically channel up and channel down, and also the dedicated button for activating the automatic squelch feature, which is commonly known as ISQ. So on pin 4, a connection goes to 3 resistors R1, R2, R3. Resistor number 1, which is a 47K resistor, connects to the channel up selection switch. Resistor number 2 connects to the automatic squelch switch, and resistor number 3, a 100K resistor, connects to the channel, specifically to the channel down button. Okay, so this is the complete wiring for the PTT, understood? So pay close attention to the wiring, specifically concerning the pins, of the PTT. Because they are different. For more traditional PTTs with a dynamic capsule, pin 1 is usually the ground. In this specific case, pin number 1 is the PTT, so all the connections are quite different. You really must pay close attention to that, all right? So, it's a short video today, just to bring you this schematic, this electrical diagram for this PTT, so it can help someone who might need it in the future. Okay, so this is today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.